No, you're good.
Oh, sorry.
Awake.
Just keep it on, make sure they make it bad. Oh yeah, with your clearance.
I'm waiting for her to back up.
Yeah.
It's pretty sketchy right here. Right here is where it felt real silky. Don't stop though. Whoa, whoa.
I'm gonna pull that up. I think it's up here for
Let's get the truck fired up, do a quick light check, and I need to plug in the refrigerator. You there? You ready to go?
Yeah, as ready as I'm gonna be at 3 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah, we're leaving out here early this morning. Get down there. We'll walk around back here, check the lights. I need to go plug in the refrigerator, the trailer. Plug it into the inverter here. God, I'm busting my ass. What are we charging? 13.7. Okay. Refrigerator's on, plugged in, latched. I don't want that thing falling open on the way. The light's looking good. Alright guys, we're off. See you in Arkansas. Hey, what's up guys? Well, we made it. We're here in Arkansas. This little camp spot we get here off the side of this road. It's pretty easy to get in. Give you a little shot here. It's got this nice fire pit already here. We just went and gathered up some wood there. These other logs were already here. Somebody left their, well, they threw a big old log in the fire pit there. They left a nice little coffee table here. So we're going to use it. And it is, there you go, 10:30. 10:30 Thursday morning. Our group ride is going to start tomorrow. This is Thursday. And tomorrow be Friday morning. We'll start a group ride here. So it's going to be pretty cool. Should have a pretty good group. Probably a 10 or maybe a little more. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow for the ride. So we're down here doing our group photo. Friday morning, April 5th, I believe. April 5th, 2023. 2024. Oh my God, I don't even know what year it is. Got it. Then I'll introduce everybody and we'll get going. Some new folks from Illinois, I believe. Tina, nice to come and join us. Jim, Brian, Missouri.
And Colleen back there.
And Colleen, yeah. Colleen. Kent? Kenton. K-Train. And Rod. Who's the junior back there?
Dean.
Dean. Nice to come along, Dean. Matt.
Dean?
Yeah, Dean. Me. Mark. Tim. Chris. Mike, and Kevin. Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, thanks for coming out and joining us. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one.
So correct me if I'm wrong. Tim's not on. He's not connected.
Tim,
Yes, I am.
Tim is.
Okay.
Tim's
Okay.
connected.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
got him connected earlier. He's
We got
good.
We
him
just don't
connected.
have just the Wolf Boys and our
And
new guys.
Rod,
down
you're
We're
there.
Yeah, we're on.
Rod, those are connected.
Hey, Trey.
All right. Look at that group. Look at that. Pretty damn cool. All right, Mama,
Most
we'll go
we
down
ever
here.
had.
We'll this is our biggest group. We'll go down here and do this river thing. We'll have Matt or Mark or somebody lead the train. Looks like it's going to be Matt's behind.
Lead. Oh, Matt. Yeah.
Yep.
There you go.
That just
Yeah.
he knows the plan, don't he?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm starting to get nervous here. What's going on?
All right, I'll come around.
Okay. Run them right through there. I'm going to get over here.
Wait a minute. Run them right where?
Off the right where we went yesterday.
You want me to go straight through?
Yeah,
Okay.
right through there.
Really deep?
No, you're good.
Oh, sorry.
Don't worry,
Matt.
Mama.
Kevin went where we went yesterday. He went way over there.
It should be all dug out by the time the last people go through.
Awake. You saw? Yeah.
Brian's the wake.
Yep, I'm in the middle. I'm coming up next.
Waves. The wave.
It's new, you guys. Jim said he's got experience. She's pretty new here. Tina is. FYI.
He ain't got no problem. He just started to shove all the water out of the way.
Yeah, I'll push it out of your guys' way.
Yeah.
There we go. Don't drown that Polaris. Oh, we had to mention that there's a brand new one. Kevin's on a brand new machine.
Already over there.
Yeah, he already went the other way. He didn't go this way.
Now let's go where you went yesterday. That way. All right. Take the lead.
Yeah, I knew this was going to happen.
Taking the right. Copy. Right. Oh yeah, here you go. Here you go, newbies. Here you go, newbies. Right off the bat.
Newbies.
Yep. Look. I want to get closer. I don't know. What happened when you put me out front?
You're still with me? Yep.
Who's got the donkey?
Not it.
Who is?
I'm not sure who is.
Oh, come over this way, Mom, I think. Let me try. Turn. Just keep
So
it
I want to
rolling.
make sure they, I guess that just comes.
Got it.
Yep.
A little bouncy here, no big deal.
Good to see you. Yeah. I didn't sign any disclaimer or anything.
Oh, here we
so
go.
Put me
Oh,
on
yeah.
your videos.
Oh, wow.
Devil's head.
Well, moving on out through there. Maybe I shouldn't have stopped.
There's a
Go ahead.
Chris. I didn't know if he was going to back up or go back forward.
He's working it. All right, come on up through, Mama. You got a comm, right? Rod. So he's on. He's on mine.
Yep.
Yeah, Rod's up on.
And those are they're all communicating. So we're good.
Yeah. Now Jim and Tina aren't, correct? They're not on?
Right.
They're not. Correct.
So we'll keep them in the middle somewhere.
We gotta have a kind of a clarification on that.
Yeah, maybe have a group chat about it to hear others' opinions on it.
Oh, the rock wall opinions. I think there's a house site up in here somewhere. But it's gone.
Well, Matt and I seen one yesterday, just has some chimney on it. That's
Oh, really? That was
beautiful vistas here to your left, people.
All right, beautiful vistas. I'm good for that.
Of
At least they got some water running through here.
the river.
Yeah, it's not completely dry this weekend. Oh yeah, beautiful. To the left.
Yes.
No answer. I'm gonna look at this before I
That K-train's not avoiding the holes. He's checking them. He's checking them. See how deep they are. I'll let you know.
Taking the most of it today, this weekend.
Oh yeah.
He likes
He's got a 4-wheel drive again, right?
Hey, K-Train, just keep in mind, you got a couple more days. Yeah.
What we should do.
What is it?
It's not bad. You know, I just right up the gut.
All right, we got to start going to the
Maybe
left.
a little bit low. Not really full drive, but everybody's got to get in so they can fit.
Well, we'll give you time to fit.
I didn't want to kind of finish a hill before I hit it.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you guys get out of the way.
You know, get the wheels, Brian, somewhere. That way or this way.
Yeah, that ain't no big deal, Mama.
I didn't say it was a big deal.
Oh. You're supposed to say it.
I'm with you.
That's what I was thinking.
I just give everybody time to kind of move out of the way. I ain't scared.
You're not scared of it?
I'm
We'll take a
scared.
break then.
Break time.
I'm gonna go around that way.
Mark got his
Yep, I'm
helmet on. You there?
I'm on.
About Timmer, is he on?
Yep.
I think he's there.
Yeah, sit
Yeah.
back.
Hello.
Crazy show. You guys go.
Trio. Dad.
Actually, I'm just looking for a left. I want to get back down to the creek. Let the Oklahoma boys go in front.
All right.
Me.
And then I'll go behind you, and then here comes Grizz.
We need K-Train up here to check out these pipe bottles first. He don't mind. Get in and howdy.
On my brake. Put my brake switch up. Used to be able to push the floor on the foot brake and start it. We'll start now. Yeah, this is really, really, really familiar. Nice.
Oh yeah, we're going way below now.
Going up the hill.
About that.
Everybody here?
Yep, the bottom of the hill. 4 of us are. 3 of us. No, 4 of us.
Go to the left side there and just drive it on that edge. Did you hear me, Mama?
Left side start up down here.
Yeah, you're probably not to it yet, but
Oh.
Yeah, she'll follow me.
Yep, I'll follow. On feet.
I'm in 4 low.
Okay.
Well, it's a little rocky, chunky up here.
Copy. And we're going slow. See how.
Picking my path. 2 people on us. We're going to be leaning to the left, okay?
Everybody coming?
Yep, we're coming. Slowly, but we're coming.
Get chunky stuff now.
Mark, you good? Yeah, I'm about ready to move.
Yeah, go up the hill. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna work. This little sunshade I made here the other day, or actually last night, because the sun keeps hitting the screen. Couldn't see it.
How's it working?
Yeah, pretty good. I can see the
Good.
screen. That's a good deal.
Good.
Oh, Kevin's breaking it in. Break it in. Get some scuffs on it.
Oh.
Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Oh shit.
You're going to want to go on the right side. Everybody's suitcases or whatever you want to call it, bags closed?
Yeah. Mine is.
Ryan's is. I'm
Go
looking
around
at
that
this.
rock to the left.
Go around the rock to the left.
Yeah, that's what I did. It seemed to be alright. This is just a general hill climb here. General. I went around this rock to the right. You'll see it when you get up to it. To the right.
Below you. I might need to stop.
I can't hear you.
That looks less steep.
I'm going to put it low here. It's awfully steep, looks like. Or to go here.
Ready? Here we go.
Deep there.
Stay to the right there. I guess I'll drive over that log. This one here, I went to the left. You can go either way.
Where? The first thing you just went up, or the second?
Oh hell, just follow the person in front of you. Unless they do it a bad way.
Yeah, I think I stayed to the right on that. Tip over.
I didn't know which one. Sometimes you're up ahead so far that I don't know how many times you've done this and that.
Are you looking up there to see it?
No, I'm watching what I'm doing.
Got it.
Just follow the person in front of you. And then drop into the trail up here. Everybody got it? And drop back in. Y'all making it?
Yep, I made it. He's right behind me. Oh crap, I gotta back up. Okay, good. paying attention, didn't make that corner.
Some more rust stuff up here. No big deal though.
Climbing up here.
You make it, Mama?
You made it right behind me.
Go to the right there.
They're on the left. And it's right there.
No trouble tracking you guys.
Better get up ahead a little bit.
I'm going in and low now because I'm stopped on this doggone hill.
I hate it when we stop on hills like this.
Going low.
All right, this is pretty sketchy right there. I'm gonna come and spot you.
Damn it.
There,
Hate these bags.
here, back up. I'm out of your way now.
I'm waiting for her to back up.
Yep. Keep an eye
Yeah,
out.
this is pretty sketchy right here.
It is.
It's just tilty.
You may have to come down and help her.
See what
Okay.
I mean? It scared me.
Yeah.
I was just afraid of that spot.
Come on down and help.
I gotta get up in a flat spot and I'll be down.
Tina.
Is she in a
They're
bad
helping
way?
her. They're helping her down there.
Almost touching that bin.
Yeah. Up here is where it felt tilty. I thought I was gonna turn over. Where's she go? Okay.
Right here is where it felt real tilty to me. Don't stop though.
Yeah, keep going, keep
No,
going.
well, now you got to stop. All right, back up.
Yeah, just roll backwards about a few feet.
Oh yeah. Easy.
Of course, it's easy when you hit the easy button,
All
right?
right.
Yeah.
Where's Matt? You way down there?
Right here. Matt's right here in front
Oh
of us.
shit!
We came around the other way.
Okay.
Yeah, he's sitting by me. He won't even watch it.
I'm ready to strip off some more stuff.
You know, Matt found another way around.
made for rocks.
All right.
But they're not costing anything, and they'll let
Because
Nice smooth trail on top here. I'll give you that. After all that
Yeah.
rock climbing, that was fun though.
Gotta take the good with the bad.
Yep.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
She stopped suddenly.
I know next time
Or actually, we're just going to stay to the right. It looks like there's a hard left, but we won't take it. We'll just stay to the right.
Okay.
Yeah, these are pretty smooth. These are nice.
Rock inside.
trying to scope out Matt's. I think he's locked down. I think this cooler's locked down.
Yep. That's something, but it doesn't go on. Here's the house site.
Right here.
Yeah, right there. To the right.
Yep.
You want to stop one of them?
Yeah. Oh, there it is. It's right there. We
Yeah.
just passed it. It's
Right
in the
there's
woods.
the chimney.
Yeah, there it is.
They all missed it, so are you on the lead, Rod? They're gone. Oh,
I didn't know if we
you
wanted
could-
to stop up here.
We
and
could
eat.
eat lunch right here. It's 12:01.
Yeah? They,
There.
you want to turn around, Rod, and come up eat lunch up here?
Yep, we can do that.
Hey, let's just do it up here.
I'm turning around.
Y'all copy? You good for that, everybody?
Sounds good.
All
I
right,
need to back up and turn around.
let's do it.
It's not real shape. Right.
Huh?
seen.
Here's a little shady spot for me. Alright guys, we're gonna eat lunch. Right here at this old house site. You see the chimney? I'll walk over there and get you a shot of it while we're eating. Huh? Something fell off of it? Oh. I'll need that at some point. There you go, Q. Bologna sandwich. Gatorade. Mm-hmm. Oh, my napkin. I definitely need that. All the folks here. Say hi to Q.
Hi, Q.
You watch his videos, don't you?
Yeah.
Buddy, yeah. Our new Illinois friends, Jim and Tina, and Brian over here.
Hi, Q.
Q. And Colleen. Yeah. Colleen came with Brian this time. There's a shot for you. Oh, we're right here on a power line. I didn't even realize that. Power line right there. Went over there to that house.
Them boys just seem to run.
Go over and check out this chimney. Somebody shot the top of that quite a bit. You can kind of see the foundation. We've been in this spot one other time, so. It's all that's left of it. It'd be cool to find a date on some rocks over here or any concrete. I don't really see, yeah, there's concrete, so. Don't see any dates anywhere. Something melted. This place burnt down. It's melted. Shingles melted. Whatever was right here. Probably the whole place burnt down. Yep. That was like a post or something. Huh.
Where he lives is 11 hours.
All right, we're gonna get rolling.